So here are my standard chaffle ingredients. About a half a cup of ham, grated cheese, egg, and some chopped up spinach with everything bagel spices. It all then goes into a bowl. Mix it all thoroughly together, like so. You then preheat the waffle iron until the light turns green and says it's ready. There we go, now it's ready. Open the hot waffle iron and spoon in the ingredients. I like to spoon in the ingredients and then spread them around a little so all of the solids are spread around, not all just thick in the middle. This helps it come out of the iron better. Then close the top. You can see it steaming away as the waffle iron cooks. When the iron tells you that it's ready, then you open it up. Once the waffle iron says it's ready, you open it up and see what it looks like. Ooh, it's done. A chaffle. Put butter or whatever you want on it and eat away.